Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is FARAHIN BINTI MAJID. Today I will talk about Mozilla Firefox. Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage. First, Firefox is built to be simple and fast. Second, open source means that you can see the source code. So everybody, if they don't work for Mozilla, is able to look what the browser does in the background. So you can be 100% sure that Firefox doesn't have hidden spy features, unlike Google Chrome. Disadvantage. First, it is incredibly difficult to reach Mozilla support team. Second, there are several compatibility issues. Firefox doesn't work well on all platforms. This is especially true for mobile platform. Not every website is compatible with this browser either, which means some sites may not show properly on the screen, if they even show at all, because that problem is a bit of miss. It may not be a disadvantage for some users at all. Others may find this problem to be a deal breaker. This internet browser has icon, links and setting menu in place where they are easy to find, and it includes all the tools we look for as we evaluate the best web browser. You can browse to private windows and customize your toolbars. Layout. Mozilla Firefox also uses horizontal just like others. Colors. Firefox is a fully managed browser, but unfortunately that capability is enabled by default only for image tag with ICC color profile. All other page elements and untagged image are rendered on the top on the full monitor color gamut, leading to inaccurate and over-saturated color, especially on wide gamut display. Font. Mozilla uses bold visuals that steal attention. Second, it serif fonts that tends to look more traditional and ease of use. Third, use common structure colors like black and orange. That's all, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SITI HAFIZAH. Okay, I will present about Internet Explorer. I will tell you advantage and disadvantage. The advantage is faster and more standard, minimum interface, excellent security, privacy features, graphic hardware acceleration. And then the disadvantage is no synchronized, no WebRTC support, and only install on Windows 7 or Windows 8.1. Okay, the menu for Internet Explorer is the menu used on the Internet Explorer use interface is neat and the order does not confuse the user. In Internet Explorer also hide whatever is considered unimportant to be displayed. Then the layout of Internet Explorer is horizontal. The color appropriate use of color is not too bright and not too fade. The toolbar layout is organized neatly. It's easy to understand because the icon used are included with the article, so user can easily use these facilities. This is also provide button that is easy to understand. And lastly is font. The use of font in this application is harmonious and does not confuse the user. Okay, that's all.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is FAZIATUL from ALIAS and I will explain about Google Chrome. Advantage of using Google Chrome. It loads and displays page very quickly. You can drag text out into separate windows without difficulty and back it again with your mouse. Google Chrome has a basic, simple design, make it easy to use. The startup page lists the most frequent page you visit and allow you to click and access them with ease. Google Chrome also automatically translates page into a language you understand for your convenience. You can search the internet through your address bar at any time. Disadvantage of Google Chrome is if you accidentally close the browser, Chrome will close all the tabs open without warning. Okay, next I will explain about characteristics of Google Chrome. First, color. Google Chrome using white background, which is make the layout look simple. Second, the only pop-up color is the Google word. Layout. Starting with Google Chrome 3.0, user can install themes to alter the appearance of the browser. Many free third-party themes are provided in an online gallery accessible through a Get Theme button in Google Chrome option. Menus. By default, the main user interface include back, forward, refresh, cancel, and menu button. A home button is not shown by default, but can be added through the setting page to take the user to the new page or a custom home page. Third, the main component have been moved to the top window. The Omni box, which is the URL box, that combine the function of both the address bar and search box. When a user starts typing in the Omni box, Chrome provides suggestions for previously visited sites. One of Chrome's differentiating features in the new tab page, which can replace the browser home page and is displayed when the new tab is created. The new tab page was updated to allow users to hide thumbnails they did not want to appear. Chrome also includes a bookmarks submenus that lists the user bookmarks. Font. User use standard font and size. Default Times New Romans on Windows. Sans serif default Times New Romans on Windows. Sans serif font default Arials on Windows. Fixed width font default Consoles on Windows. Minimum font size default Tinies on Windows.
Based on 3 comparison of web browser on assignment 2, we developed one new interface which is called Medium Web. Medium Web screen and window design look neutral and soften the user. Medium Web modified from Mozilla Firefox. The icon in the web are summarized and stored in just one icon. User will need to click the icon to find the application in the icon. Medium Web use color. Medium Webs use colors that are not too bright and suitable for all users. Medium Web users do not need to be easy to find the icon to use because they have been organized regularly to make it easier for customers use the web. Medium Web also are specially designed in horizontal. Form field and spreadsheet are also provided. And lastly, error message also provide.